आप चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस की लोकेशन पर बैठे हुए हैं। दीपिका उसमें चेन्नई है और मैं एक्सप्रेस हूँ। सीरियसली ये लगती भी हैं थोड़ी सी, देखो साउथ इंडियन। It's a how do you say, a romantic fun film, and Mr. Rohit Shetty is directing it. मैं पहली बार उनके साथ काम कर रहा हूँ और बहुत खुशी हो रही है। और हमारी जो प्रोडक्शन है वेब सीरीज़ की, उन्होंने, क्योंकि मेरी है इसलिए नहीं कह रहा, लेकिन बहुत बड़े बड़े सेट लगाए हैं, बहुत खूबसूरती से रोहित के साथ फिल्म बन रही है। और there have been tough days because it's difficult to shoot a big film, but there have been fun days also. So hopefully it will be an entertaining film.
Yeah, the story is like that. It's actually, all of us are quite common in the film. And it's not a, how do you say, an upscale situation. We are well-to-do and stuff like that. But वो line का थोड़ा सा meaningfulness यही है कि लोगों के पास अलग-अलग किस्म की अहमियत होती है, but इसके पास कुछ भी नहीं है, normal आदमी है. And that's why the line keeps coming again and again in the film till Deepika understands it and Niketan knows it better than anyone else. कि don't underestimate the power of a common man. फिर ये मान जाता है उसके बाद. So common man की victory होती है finally.
I mean, in a sense, yeah, it has been the same journey. You know, my journey started off, I grew up in Bangalore. And when I decided to join the film industry, I had to shift bag and baggage to an entirely new city and a new industry, new people. And 5 years into my career now, today I'm very, very comfortable. And I'm enjoying my work.
Having said that, I want to thank T-Series, Bhushan, जो बहुत मदद करते हैं, not only in the business part of it, but in the creative part of it. और इनकी समझ बहुत ऊंची है म्यूजिक के बारे में. So thank you, Bhushan, for helping us. And of course, Vishal and Shekhar, we worked with them for years. Rohit has worked with them for years, and they've come up with such a wonderful score. So we want to only thank them. इनके बिलीव से, इनके गानों से, इनके लिरिक्स से, जैसे अमिताभ के, और भूषण के बिलीव से कि हमारे को ये फ्रीडम देते हैं और हमको गाइड करते हैं. So we are really happy, and you know, as the days go by, you will understand each song is very meaningful in the film, and I'm sure everybody is going to enjoy it.
I think the first point is that I got to relive the DDLJ moment with Shah Rukh, and the fact that I think while growing up, I think it was every girl's dream to romance Rahul and Raj on screen, और मुझे वो भी करने का मौका मिला है इस फिल्म के अंदर. We've got a fantastic response to the trailer, and I hope everyone enjoys watching the movie.
Yo Honey Singh, he was wanting to do a video with me, और ऐसे ही उसने एक बारी कहीं हम मिले तो कहा आप मेरे वीडियो में भाग लीजिएगा. And recently he had a song about praising Rajnikant Saab, and it is called the Thalaiva, and that's what he's called. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. The big man, the big boss, the Thalaiva tribute. So he was talking about doing a song. I thought it is very apt कि हमारी फिल्म है चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस और वो ये म्यूजिक वीडियो बना रहे हैं. So I requested Deepika and we all went and participated in it. It's a very naughty, nice song, and inshallah it should be out in a few days. And it's not part of the film, but I think it adds to the flavor of the film. That's why I did it. The timing was very good. कुछ चीज़ों की timing अच्छी हो जाती है. And it's very naughty, it's very sweet, and Deepika's danced very well in it. And we have this very cute tribute to the Thalaiva, the great Mr. Rajnikant. So hopefully when it comes out, musically also it's very interesting. People will enjoy it.